Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and pretty much what this is a tea kettle or electric kettle. If you can see the packaging of the product definitely looks really nice, but first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So pretty much inside they do provide you guys like a user manual and quick starter guide to teach you guys how to use it and how to maintain the product. And they show you guys what to do before you guys do use it for the first time. So you do want to watch the different part inside to make sure it's clean before I do use it. And the next thing inside is the actual product. You can see how it's all well protected. But let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, you can see there's a lot of parts inside. Let's take it all out. So the first thing I can see right here, we do have the lid for the product. So this actually looks like on this side. And here's the other side. And next thing right here, we do have the tea maker option for you guys to make tea inside if you guys do want to, which is pretty cool. So literally all you need to do is pour your tea leaves inside. And when you guys do fill the water inside the electric kettle, it will start boiling the tea inside, which is pretty cool. I believe the material on here is stainless steel, if that's in here. And then once you guys do take this part out, underneath that, you can see we do have the product. So let's do take out the wrapper. Right here, we do have the electric kettle. So you can see how they do have a very nice grip for you guys to hold the handle on the side. On the front right here, it does show you guys the different measurement in terms of how much you guys want to add. Whether if you guys want to do 500 or 1700. 1700 is a max and 500 is a minimum. And the way how they designed the actual kettle, you can see right here, they do have a no spill design. So that way when you guys do pour the water, it won't spill out, which is pretty cool. And when you guys do feel materials on here, it definitely feels like a high quality glass. And I believe the inner part right there is like stainless steel. Same thing for the side as well. And you guys can see on the bottom, this is what the bottom part looks like. The next thing that we have inside, we do have the lid for the cover. So what you guys want to do is put this on top and turn it to lock it just like that. Very easy and very simple. And then for this part right here, what you're going to do is insert like this to hold it in place. So when you guys do put it together, you guys want to close it up just like that. And that is basically what the electric kettle looks like when you guys do set it up. Obviously for the tea brewer option, you don't have to actually put it inside if you guys don't want to. If you guys only want boil water inside, then just open up the lid and just pour water inside to the lid in the middle. And last thing that we do have right here is the bottom of the base. So I do take out the wrapper. Right here is basically what the pot looks like. So the middle part right here is where you guys want to put the electric kettle on top to start boiling your water. And then here we do have a few buttons. So we do have the power button, we do have a program button, we do have the customized temperature option, and the keep warm option. And for the keep warm button, they do have the option for you to press and hold it for 3 seconds to mute it. And when you guys are ready to turn it on, what you're going to do is press the power button right here to turn it on for 3 seconds. And obviously for the middle part right here is the display screen. So when you do turn it on, it will show you guys the display screen right here. And supposedly for this kettle, when you guys do turn it on, there's 6 different temperature settings on here when you guys do use it. And for each one, the temperature will show you guys what it's for. Whether if you guys want for coffee, tea, cold brew tea, or whatever, they do show you guys that on here, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. And when you guys do feel materials on here, it definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel material. If you guys turn to the back part right here, we do have the actual cable. So you do need to plug in cable to use it. And the way how they design the bottom part, they do have this option for you guys to tie your cable inside to keep it organized if you guys want to, or you can make it shorter if you guys want to as well. And it's throughout the bottom part here, here, and here, they do have the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. So once you guys are ready to use it, what you're going to do is put it on top and just turn it on and you're ready to start using it. So that is everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually go plug this in and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so I just finished washing the product and we added some water inside. So what you guys want to do right now is put it on top, because if you guys try to turn it on, it won't turn on until you guys put it on top. So when you guys do put it on top, if you guys press the power button, let me see how it does turn on. So when you guys press something on here, it'll make the noise. Let me see when you guys press right here, it'll show you guys the customized temperature. And then on the side right here, it'll show you guys a different option for boil black, French press, oolong, white, green, or delicate. So if you guys want to select each one of these, what you're going to do is press this button. And it'll show you guys the temperature for each one of these that's preset for the program button. And if you guys want to get rid of that noise, like I mentioned, you guys want to press and hold this button. And you see how it's muted. So let's do press the button again. There's no more noise anymore. So let's say for example, if you guys want boiled black, You guys want to press start once you guys select it. And it pretty much starts boiling immediately, you can see right here. So right now the temperature that's inside right here is 140 degrees. And the temperature is going up, you can see right here it does show you the temperature, which is really nice. So once it reaches the temperature that I show you guys right here for 212, it will turn off by itself. So I'm gonna let it boil first and show you guys what I mean. So right now it shows 203, so it's almost there. If you can see how once it reaches 212, it turns off by itself. And it didn't make any noise because we muted. Let me unmute it and show you guys what it sounds like. Alright, so now that we unmuted, if you guys do pour again. It pretty much make that noise once it's done. So whether if you guys want to use unmuted or if you guys want to use muted, that is totally up to you guys. Now I'm actually pour some water out to show you guys how it works for the no spill design. So right here I do have a cup. Let's pour the water on. If you can see how when we do pour the water on here, it literally does not leak any out. So it does have a very nice design on here where it does not spill out or leak out when you guys do pour it on the tip, which is really nice. And if you guys want to fill the water inside very easy, all you need to do is just open up and you just pour the water on top. And once you guys pour the water inside, you're gonna close it back up. So very easy and very simple for us to use it, if you can see. Welcome back guys. So nice so quick test of pot and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to use it for like making tea, or if you guys want to brew coffee, or even if you just want to boil water just in general, if you can see the product works really well. And I love the fact that how it does have a wide mouth on top, so that way you can take off the lid and clean everything inside really easily if you guys do need to. And on top of all that, it's actually really cool how it actually gives you guys the temperature control option to control the temperature if you guys want to be higher or lower. Not a lot of kettles give you guys the option, which is really cool and very convenient. And just like how you can see in the video when you do use it, it does turn off by itself once it reaches that temperature, which is really cool. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, how you guys want to use it and where you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality electric kettle that pretty much give you guys everything that I mentioned on here and showed you guys as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.